9 in 10 teenagers in Ireland develop some degree of acne in their lifetime. However, this often affects people into adulthood. So today we are looking to our favourite celebrities who have also suffered with bad skin to see if this new treatment really works.
Katy Perry may have been in the papers for all the wrong reasons recently, but last week she performed at the DNC in Philadelphia and there were no signs of adult acne. Granted, she had stage makeup on, but even with that, she looked glowing. Katy hasn't always been so fortunate, often speaking to the press about her battle with bad skin. And she's not the only one. Cameron Diaz, Victoria Beckham, Eva Longoria, Miley Cyrus and even One Directioner Harry Styles are sufferers too. Sadly, there is no cure, but with a little help today from skin guru Nilu, we can get some insight on how to help with her new methods.
Acne is something that depends on your lifestyle, on your hormones, on your stress levels and on your diet.
Our model today suffers with a mild case of acne and Nilu starts the healing process with some gel to clean the skin.
So after that I will be using on vitamin C to exfoliate her skin. It is vitamin C crystals that I activate with the activator and they dissolve on the skin. Number one, they take away all the free radicals that are on the skin and gently takes away the very top dead layer of the skin. After that I've used on the Limu specialized gel that actually goes into the pores and the customer feels a slight tingling feeling. What it does is it gets into the pores and softens all the grime that is there. And after that I have used the Limu skin spatula, which will vibrate 28,000 times every time I touch their skin. It will take out all the blackheads. You don't have to push or squeeze or do any of that, and very gently the blackheads will pop out.
So finally, after the skin spatula, then what was the thing that you...
Then we put on oxygen calming mask that will show us how much hydration level is in our skin. End of that we use the blue light. Blue light is an antimicrobial light. It is natural, there's no laser, there's no heat in that. It is an LED light which kills the bacteria and calms down the skin.
So all in 45 minutes, Nilu?
All in 45 minutes and you can see before and after.
So if people at home are liking what they see and thinking, absolutely that treatment is for me, where do they head to, Nilu?
They go out to nilus-salon.com and they'll find us there.
So I call